Thanks for joining me for another video, and today's video is just a quick fence post repair. Just the usual. We've got a rotted post just about an inch or so below ground, above ground level, sorry, and we're not replacing the post. It's going to be a spur post repair, concrete spur post. It's probably my favourite way of repairing posts. We will take the whole post out, dig the post out, replace the post, or we will concrete spur it. It's a slightly quicker way, and quite a lot of people are happy for me to do it this way. So basically all I'm doing here is just digging a trench, a 2-foot trench down, a 2-foot hole down the side of the concrete, the existing concrete, and when I've done that I will knock the concrete out. In this particular job I didn't need to use the concrete breaker. The concrete, there's hardly any concrete there, and I was able just to knock it out with the wrecking bar. So yeah, I'll leave you to watch the video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. Right then guys, so I've dug 2 foot down the face of the post, so we should be at the bottom of the concrete. It's going to be a very easy one, this. I'm debating whether to set the breaker up and just knock it out with the wrecking bar, because the amount of concrete around, certainly this side of the post anyway, is very minimal. Look at that. I mean, that should be coming out to here at least. But yeah, you see that it's actually snapped off. It's just snapped here, it's rotted here and snapped. Probably just see it moving. Yes. So yeah, we've got to knock this panel back on as well, because the nail, the screws popped out somehow. So yeah, let's I don't know, I'm going to get the bar on it. I don't think I'm going to bother setting the breaker up for this. So I'm just going to knock this little bit of concrete out. Here's the spur post, and yeah, so that's going to go on in, sit in the ground 2 foot, right up against the rotted post, and with coach screws, 8-inch coach screws straight through to the post, and postcrete, so that'll go off within about 10 minutes or less, and this post will be like brand new again. Yes, I don't know what you guys are using for your concrete, but I've been using postcrete for a while now. 5 to 10 minutes, it's gone rock hard. If you're doing a big line, big fencing job, it can work out quite a bit more expensive, but the odd post repair like this, it saves a lot of time. It's quick and easy. So yeah, a couple of bags. Oh, I've got 3 bags. I've always been 3 to be on the safe side. Sometimes you need an extra half, but 2 bags should be enough for that. So yeah, he's all screwed on. here and here. Yeah, let's get the concrete in, so I'll come back to you when that's done. I normally leave a good sort of 3-inch lip really from the ground, but yeah, that 2 bags did fill it up. Normally 2 bags is just right, but yeah, there's quite a fair bit of concrete in there, so it's not a bad thing though. There's still enough, still get some soil over the top of that. You can see it working, so bubbling away. You know, 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, that would be nice and dry. And the post to be solid again. Get that right. Before it goes too hard. Yeah, so just whilst I'm waiting for that to go hard, really the only the other thing to do is just pack up all the tools. By the time I've done that, we'll be done. Right then guys, that's all the tools on the truck. Yeah, we'll just go up and check the post and just have a quick tidy up. Right, here we have it. It's been a good 10 minutes now, and as you can see, you can just about, you see my finger marks, but yeah, that's nice and hard. So just need to put the soil back over and just tidy up a little bit. There we go, job done. So yeah, started this at dead on 1, and I think it's about 2 o'clock now, so it's only an hour to dig down a couple of feet, knock a bit of concrete out. Normally I allow an hour and a half for these, but that concrete was incredibly easy. And spur it up. Customers just popped out and offered me a coffee, so I'm going to take that as I've not had a lunch break. So there we go. I'm trying to move this post for you, and I can. That's not moving. Solid. It's a good way of doing it. If I can get away with spurring posts, I will. If the customer prefers the whole post replace, that's fine. It's a little bit more labour time. This way you haven't got to take the panels off, you haven't got to dig the whole post out. It's just a lot quicker. Sometimes you can get away with putting spurs in. I find a lot of people don't mind them. This will be quite hidden actually when this forsythia comes out and greens up. Yeah, so thanks again for watching this video. Thanks to the people that have subscribed so far, really appreciate that, and I'll see you on the next one.